Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change your stream title in OBS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS app on your computer. Now, here's an important note before we dive into changing the title. You need to have your OBS account connected to a streaming platform like Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, or any other platform you use for streaming. Since I already have mine connected, I'll be able to show you the title change process right away. However, if your account isn't connected yet, don't worry, I'll walk you through those steps first so you can get everything set up properly. To connect your streaming account, head to the upper left corner of your screen and click on File. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up your OBS configuration panel where you can manage all your streaming preferences and connections. Once the settings window opens, look at the left panel and click on Stream. This is where you'll link OBS to your preferred streaming platform. At the top of this section, you'll see an option labeled Service. Right beside it, there's a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down menu and you'll see a list of available streaming platforms. Select your streaming platform from this list, whether it's Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, or whichever service you plan to stream on. After selecting your platform, you'll notice a button that says Connect Account. Click on this button and it will prompt you to log into your streaming account. Go ahead and enter your credentials to authorize the connection between OBS and your streaming platform. This step is crucial because it allows OBS to access your stream settings and push your content to your channel. Once you've logged in and connected your account, navigate to the bottom right corner of the settings window. Click Apply to save your connection settings and then click OK to close the settings window. Your OBS is now properly linked to your streaming platform, which means you're ready to customize your stream title. Now, to actually change your stream title, go back to the upper left corner and click on Docs. From the menu that appears, select Stream Information. This will open a new panel on the left side of your OBS interface where you can manage various stream details. In this Stream Information panel, you'll see a field labeled Title. Click on the text field directly below Title, and this is where you can enter your new stream title. Type in whatever title you want for your current stream session. This title is what your viewers will see when they find your stream, so make it clear and engaging. After you've entered your new stream title, click the Done button at the bottom of the panel. That's it, your stream title has been successfully updated and will display on your streaming platform when you go live. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.